Now I'll show you how to create a logo for your website and for social media and obviously other platforms as well. So the easier place to start is canva.com. So you can design professionally looking logo for your store here. Go to Canva and search for logo and then click on suggested logo. And then here you've got few selections to choose from. So you can design your own, simply please click blank, or you can browse the ones that kind of maybe you like, maybe they inspire you, maybe you can choose for your brand. Obviously you will need to change, you can change the colors and the text. So we'll see which one we like for our brand, because we decided that we are selling yoga fitness clothing. So let's see which one we can choose. I really like this one because it's simple, it is delicate, and it contains the name. So I'll choose it. And then in a new tab, you can customize it. So you can change the colors, you can change the background as well. I think it is transparent background, which I really want. If not, I'll make sure to specify that it's transparent. So, okay, let's change the text. Okay, so I changed the text to academia and I'll change the tagline here. And I added fitness clothing. And if you want, you can leave the colors as they are, or you can change the colors as well. So let's have a look. So these are 3 different tones. So perhaps we can go for like a little bit of green, a little bit of sea green, blue, and something like that. So let's have a look. Okay, so I changed the green here to those 3 different tones, and I'll change the text as well, text color. So click here and update the font color. Okay, and change the font of the tagline as well. So the same thing. And here you go. I really like it, and now download it and specify to have transparent background. So download it with Canva. Remember the transparent background is available with the premium package, so make sure to subscribe, compress the image and click download. And this is how you create a logo on Canva.